Fellow creatives, it's okay to create using artificial intelligence as a boost, as an idea generator, or as a spark. And it's okay not to. No one is begrudging you for using AI other than the skeptics and the ignorant. In an age where algorithms compose symphonies and artificial intelligence paints masterpieces, here we are at the crossroads. The question is no longer, will technology create music? Will technology be creative? No. The question is, what makes you different? What makes you irreplaceable? I'm also here to give you some philosophies, ideas, and theories about how you should be using these tools to create. The answer is not in competing with the machine, but in remembering what the machine can never process. You can write a song. The AI can help you sing the song, but you are the storyteller. One of our friends in this community is called AI Storyteller. AI can help you tell your stories. You see, I want you to understand, number one, first and foremost, creativity is medicine. It's not luxury. Creating is not what you do when everything else is finished. It's what keeps you whole while everything else is falling apart. When you write a lyric or when you strum a chord or shape a melody, your body releases endorphins. Did you know that? Your nervous system calms. Your spirit finds its voice again. Today I thought of going out to play my handpan. Why? Because of that same reason. This is not a metaphor. This is biochemistry meeting the divine. Musicians who stop at creating do not just lose a hobby, they lose a lifeline. The world tells you to be practical, to be productive, to monetize. But your art was never meant to just make money. It was meant to make you human. It's like medicine. In a world accelerating towards burnout and stress and disconnection, your creative practice is an act of self-preservation. It's the difference between surviving and truly living. Whether you have 5 minutes to play that guitar or you have 1 hour or 5 hours, whether you're skilled or still learning, make something. Your mental health depends on it. I was looking at a few pictures and I saw my mom a little bit over 70 when she began playing many, many years ago. The world doesn't need more content. It needs more humans who remember how to feel. That's what makes us special. Intention is everything, my friends. You see, AI can generate 1,000 songs in an hour. You can generate one song in 1,000 hours. And if your one song carries intention, real, lived, purposeful intention, it will outlive all those thousands of the machine's offerings. So before you create anything, I want you to ask this question. Why am I doing what I'm doing? Why am I creating what I want to create? Is the idea to share good cheer, or is the idea just to create for creating's sake? I want to encourage you as a AI Creatives Connect member or subscriber to create intentionally. Ask yourself, what am I infusing into the music that AI cannot? And that's where you're going to be able to transcend. You see, the world has enough manufacturers. Intention is the invisible force that turns sound into story and notes into meaning. It turns rhythm into revelation. And it's what makes someone stop scrolling and lean in and think, wow, that was made for me. You see, AI doesn't have intention. It has instructions. So ask yourself, what am I infusing into the music that AI cannot? Perfection is the enemy of expression. Perfection is the enemy of getting it done. Lots of you have songs locked away in your hard drive, ideas sitting unfinished for years, just like I did. Melodies you've never shared because they're not ready yet, or because I'm waiting for it to be picture perfect. Let me tell you, picture perfect sound is not guaranteed to you. What you have is today and now. While people are waiting for you, while the world is spinning, people are hurting. And someone out there needs exactly what you're holding back. It's a word, a voice, an idea that you can share with the world in music, and you are holding back. Perfection is a ghost you'll chase forever. It's the voice that says, just one more revision. I remember last night I was working on this bebop tune. Some of you might have seen it. And I decided, no, I am not going for perfection. I am going for expression. And I'm going for imperfectly perfect. It doesn't always have to line up on the meter exactly. You see, expression is immediate. It's raw. It's real. It says, here I am, warts and all. Take me or leave me. The artists you admire, they didn't wait until they were perfect. They released their truth when it was burning in them. The world is not waiting. Time is not waiting, my friend. Your moment is now. Your gift is meant to move. Music was never meant to stay in the bedroom, and art was never meant to live only on your laptop. Your gift, whatever form it takes, was meant to go out into the world and do what only it can do: transform spaces, shift energy, and remind people they're alive. Why don't you think about playing in nursing homes? Why don't you think about taking your your laptop to a nursing home and play the music that you've created? Some of you act like you're trapped and you're bound and you cannot do anything. You can. Don't feel, oh, I'm not a musician. I don't have an instrument. I don't play. No, you can be the DJ of the future. How about going to a nursing home and taking requests for songs? Creating songs right there on the fly. Do you know how many people would love to see that? Perform in the prisons where hope is scarce. Set up a speaker in a park like I did and watch strangers stop and smile and dance. I have a video too on my channel of that. But go into open mics. Share your work online and collaborate. Stop being shy. Stop hiding. When you share your gift, you're not bragging. You're not showing off. You're fulfilling your purpose. You're saying to the universe, I received this. Now I'm passing it on. You never know whose life your music will change, but you guarantee it changes no one's if you keep it hidden. Tools don't define you. You define the tools. Whether you play a $10,000 grand piano or you use my free AI piano on my website or free AI music generators that I've been working on. And by the way, when we get to 5,000 members, I'm going to be giving away a free workstation. That's right. It's a workstation to make the world a better place with music. It's got beats, it's got harmony, it's got melody. And you're going to be able to be part of it. So why don't you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already? You see, the debate about real musicians versus AI misses the point entirely. A paintbrush didn't make Van Gogh the genius. The piano didn't make Nina Simone the prophet. The piano didn't make Liberace the great. You see, the tool is always secondary to the vision. If AI helps you express something true, use it without shame. If a traditional instrument serves your message, honor that craft. And if you need to blend both like I do it boldly. The only question that matters is, are you using this tool to amplify your humanity or hide from it? AI doesn't replace the heart, my friend. AI doesn't replace intention. Creativity is not in the tool. It's in you. And you need to understand that. I urge you to choose communication over perfection all the time. People are not going to gravitate towards flawless technique, playing the piano like Liberace. No, they will gravitate towards authentic communication, even if you hit a few wrong notes or many wrong notes. A perfectly auto-tuned voice singing empty words will never move someone like a cracked, honest voice singing. And that's why I urge some of you who have not gone into the world of singing or speaking to attempt doing it yourself. Even if you say, I can't sing, how about you try to speak in a poetic way? This is why spoken word artists can fill rooms, and why singers and songwriters with imperfect voices build devoted followings. You see, this is why some of the most streamed songs have rough edges and raw emotion. If you can't sing, speak your message. I urge you, I challenge you to become a speaker of your message if you don't want to be a singer of your message. If you can't play an instrument, craft a vibe and invite collaboration. Get with a buddy who can. If you're still learning, let your learning be part of the story. You see, music communicates feelings, but messages communicate meaning. And meaning travels faster when you give it a voice. And that's why when I see Chick Corea or Herbie Hancock or any of the greats play, McCoy Tyner, they'll get up from behind the piano or they'll grab the mic from where they are at the piano and they'll give you the backstory of the song, tell you what exactly it means. See yourself as a performer who can explain the meaning of the song, who can encourage, who can motivate, who can take people to that next level. You see, this is the principle that will change everything. You are part of the world's healing. Do you see yourself as that? Some of you might. Think about a song that saved you, or think about the album that helped you through heartbreak, the melody that made you feel less alone. Someone created that for you. One of my most treasured songs is Parasina. It doesn't have any words, but it gives me that feeling. And when I put my headphones on and I'm listening to McCoy Tyner's Parasina, I feel like I can do anything. In fact, that's my Mow It Down song. Have you got a Mow It Down song? That's my Mow It Down song. You see, if someone created a Mow It Down song for me, I should create some for someone else. You see, this isn't pressure, it's purpose. You're not just making art, you're participating in collective healing. You're saying to the world, I see you, I feel you, you're not alone. And in an age of AI and automation, that human-to-human connection is more valuable than ever. You see, the world doesn't need more algorithms, it needs more heart, more storytelling, more honesty, more humanity. So, this is where I leave you with the overarching thought. I am here to support you. And part of my job as I support you is to share my ideas and to help you look inward as well. What I'm asking you to do now, my friends, is to stop waiting and stop hiding behind, I'm not ready yet, it's not perfect yet, I'm trying to get that sound. Look at it like another TikTok video that's out there. No one's going to judge you for putting out another video. So take that idea that's been sitting in your mind or your hard drive and just look at it like another video. Look at it like another letter. Look at it like another note and give it wings. Finish it. Finish it tonight. Share it. Play it for someone. Post it. Perform it. Let it thrive. Because you have something to say that only you can say. That's why I always urge people to write their own lyrics. AI might sing it, but the heart is from you. I encourage you. Say what only you can in a voice that only you have, with a story that only you've lived. And somewhere, someone is waiting for exactly that. Make hay while the sun shines, my friend. Your moment is now. I remember telling a good friend of mine what we were going to do, the plans that I had. This individual was a speaker, a great speaker, a great orator, and we had plans. But just as I slipped outside of the country for a few months, by the time I came back, before I got back, I was reading her obituary, hearing about it in shock. But what I'm grateful for is the 3 books published by her, written by her before she left. Nobody ever knows when tomorrow is going to be the final day. And I don't say this to alarm you, but to press upon you to embrace your calling, because many of us shy away from our calling to write, to perform, to be poets. We try to suppress it until we never hear it again. Don't do that. Step out. Be bold. Be strong. You should be strong for yourself because no one else would be strong for you. Step out there. Damn the consequence, because there will be none other than your conscience telling you you didn't do what you should have, and let's go pedal to metal. You are unstoppable. The only force that can stop you from releasing that idea is yourself. I wish you all the very best. Keep on going hard and going strong, and keep supporting AI Creatives Connect, because we are here for you. And if there's any question you have about creativity in general, whether you are a user of AI or not, I encourage you to do exactly the same thing. Get your stuff out. Stop sitting on it. Let's go.